Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at a connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Now my first thought on reading the top row is that we're going to have mathematical elements, like trigonometric functions, because sec and tan and sin, I suppose, are all examples, but I don't think there's a fourth one, and I think that's a bit too esoteric for this game anyway. So we're going to have to turn our attentions to something else. And I don't know what. A GIF. Is that the same as a Jiffy? Or is it just one letter away from Jeff? What about To is human. I don't know if there's 3 other words for mistakes. There might be prefixes, that's the problem. Sec as in second. Network. There could be suffixes. We've got fool. We could have free fool. Hot spur. I'm not sure that's common enough in America to be the correct answer in this game, though. Came is the first 4 letters of camel. I'm struggling to find any links between any of these at the moment. What's a buck? It's an animal, it's slang for $1. Buck Rogers. Flash Gordon? Oh, Flash Gordon and Buck Rogers. I don't know if I'm going to be able to name 2 other characters that might go in that group. That's the problem. Ken could easily be the name of somebody that fits in that ilk. No idea who. So could Jiff, to be fair. But that's not helpful. I'll be there in a bit in a sec. I don't know. I'll be there in a jiff. Maybe that's American for jiffy. I would say jiffy. I will be there in a flash. That's the 4th one, isn't it? There we go. Short periods of time. Okay, so it's not Flash Gordon and Buck Rogers, clearly. But what are we going to do next? Bots. Robots. What else can bots be? Stray. A stray dog? Don't think any of the others can describe dogs or other pets, can they? Roebuck? That's an animal, isn't it? Don't think R-O-E, is going to be going before any of the others. Buckle. Oh, maybe a buck and a spur are to do with cowboys? But again, I don't know how 2 others would be. We've still got all of these really short 3-letter words. I would not be surprised if there's some weird link between those. Net is 10 backwards. Don't think that helps. Fool. The buck stops with you. You can take a fool. Okay, I don't know where I'm going with that either. Okay. I've really got no idea what's going on here. Spur of the moment. Oh, I suppose maybe that was a red herring for the yellow group. I think it means a slightly different thing though, so I don't think I was ever likely to put it in the yellow group, but maybe I got a bit lucky there, I'm not sure. I really don't know. It feels like spur and buck are going to be something to do with cowboy boots or something, but I don't know what the other 2 would be. And I have no idea what links any of the others. I hope I'm not straying too far from the correct solution. We could have anagrams. They tend not to have anagrams, though. I just don't know. We've got rid of sec, so we're definitely not going to have a group of trigonometric functions. We're down to only sin and tan now. Errand, buckle, sunblock, suntan. Ah, but we've got sun and tan in the group, so that's not going to be the group. Sunbathe. You could get some sun, get a tan. I really have no idea. Let's just try the four 3 letters ending in N. That's not even one away, okay. Let's try something completely different then. Is there anything else that is similar to camel? Stray, strap, I really have no idea. A spur, a buck, a net, cowboy boots, maybe, I don't know. That is somehow one away. How is that one away? Oh, because they're sports teams. There's the Spurs, the Bucks, the Nets, and the Suns. They're basketball teams, I think. NBA players. There we go. Okay. Oh dear. I still don't know what's going to be the last 2 groups though. You can fall, you can stray, and you can sin. Are they just all words that mean to do something bad? They are, to do wrong. Wow, how we have succeeded here, I've got no idea. What on earth links all of these? It really looks like they've got a letter missing somehow. Boots instead of bots. I've got no idea. Let's just click it and see. Starts of African countries. Botswana, Cameroon, what were the other ones? Kenya and Tanzania. That's a really difficult one. They are the starts of African countries, but there are so many letters that come after those starts. Wow. I've got no idea how I succeeded there. I was absolutely nowhere for so long. Made 2 mistakes in the middle, but we have solved the puzzle in the end. How did you get on with this one? Did you struggle as much as I did? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.